Michelle Muscatello. You can see the raindrops on the camera lens behind us, and you can see that radar. We've been watching that system all morning long get closer and closer. Now it's here.
Yeah, we've got rain, and it'll be falling heavy at times this afternoon, and it's also going to be combined with potentially damaging wind gusts that'll knock out power to some people. Right now we're expecting scattered power outages as the afternoon and evening goes on. You can see more rain approaching here from the south and west. We've had a couple of batches of showers with downpours already roll through Providence, and there's a lot more on the way. Right now we've got a heavy shower over the northwest corner of the state up through the Foster and Scituate area, and if we widen out the view, a lot more of that to come. In fact, I've been watching for not only some rain but also some thunderstorms south of Long Island, and that's one of the concerns that we have, that there is the potential for a strong or severe thunderstorm, even a very low risk for an isolated tornado. So it's going to be a stormy afternoon and evening. It's why our threat tracker is elevated 1 to 2.5 inches of rain, wind gusts as high as 60 miles per hour. I kept us elevated tonight, but after midnight the risk of damaging wind gusts will start to diminish and the rain will taper to showers. Right now though, we're mild and we are seeing those winds increasing. 55 degrees in Providence right now, 57 at the coastline. These are sustained winds, 15-20 miles per hour with the gusts to nearly 30 miles per hour, and we're just getting going. The strongest winds in the late afternoon and evening will be between 50 and 60 miles per hour for most of Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. Northern and western areas has slightly less in the way of wind gusts, but still even there have the potential for some power outages. So this is what we're expecting for the winds by 3 o'clock this afternoon, and we're starting to see those stronger wind gusts in excess of 50 miles per hour, and that'll continue into the evening commute. So these strong winds combined with the heavy rain during the evening should make some travel difficult for school pickup time for the typical afternoon commute. At midnight tonight, still some gusty winds, but then after that again they do gradually come down. Let's take a look at the wider view. We'll show you this storm system, center of low pressure moving across Pennsylvania right now. There's been quite a bit of thunder and lightning across central New Jersey and then just to the east of it, and we'll be watching for that this afternoon. So in any thunderstorms actually just enhances the wind threat for us, and these storms could have rotation in them. This is by 3 o'clock this afternoon. Very heavy rain falling, temperatures continuing to climb, upper 50s to lower 60s during the evening hours. The evening commute again going to be stormy into the overnight, the showers tapering, and we'll see some additional leftover showers, especially early tomorrow morning in eastern Massachusetts. It's not a washout of a day, but it could be a little bit damp, especially before 2 o'clock. Here's that severe thunderstorm threat. We're under a marginal risk here for storms that could produce some additional damaging wind gusts and a tornado across southern New England. As far as how much rain goes, pretty area wide, where we'll see 1 to 2 inches of rain with some isolated higher totals. On the high end, 2.5, been isolated possibly 3 inches of rain. So it's a stormy day for us. Rest of the week though looking quieter. We've got a lingering shower on Tuesday. The overnight hours tonight remaining very mild, well into the 50s to near 60. So that's where we start our day tomorrow. Then the temperatures gradually coming down into the lower 50s by the end of the day. Wednesday, mix of clouds and sunshine, much cooler, middle 40s with a brisk wind still. Thursday looks dry, and so does Friday during the daytime, but we got to watch the end of the week and weekend forecast as our computer models are trying to produce an offshore storm system, at least one of them, possibly two, over the weekend.